How to use alpha marks and compositing in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and place the two clips you want to blend or composite on separate video tracks. The top clip will be the one where the marks effect is applied, and the bottom clip will show through the masked areas. Next, go to the effects panel and search for alpha shapes. You will find this effect under the alpha, marks and keying category. Drag the alpha shapes effect onto your top clip. Once applied, open the effect stack and customize the shape. You can choose from rectangle, ellipse or other shape types. Adjust the position, size and softness to control which parts of the top clip become transparent, allowing the bottom clip to show through. To visually blend the two clips, apply the composite and transform effect to the top clip. This effect lets you resize, move or animate the clip in relation to the one beneath it, allowing for more creative control over the composition. Finally, preview your timeline to review the compositing result. You can fine-tune the alpha shape softness, reposition the clips or modify the effect settings to achieve the look you want. Now you know how to use alpha marks and compositing in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.